This is a USB-C hub that should come with every single MacBook. I worked in IT for nearly a decade for tech companies where just about everyone had a MacBook. And by far the single biggest problem I saw is people would take their MacBook, they would go to a conference room or somewhere else, and they realized that they had to plug something into their MacBook, but they couldn't because MacBooks only have USB-C ports. And there's a lot of things that aren't USB-C ports like HDMI or USB-A. So if you have a Mac, or if you know someone who has a Mac, get this USB-C hub. It is so small, you can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your backpack, you can attach keys to it. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I absolutely love it, and I genuinely think everyone who has a MacBook should get this. Let's have a closer look. You can see it's got the USB-C for source, so you just plug that into your computer. You can plug the power in opposite that, then you have a single USB 3.0 port and then HDMI on the other side. Probably the simplest yet also the smallest USB hub I have ever seen. Quite impressive, actually. It can double as a keychain. So yeah, this is super small, super basic, super portable. It only has one USB port, only one HDMI port, but really where this shines is you can put it in your purse, you can put it in your backpack. There's no reason not to have this. Just always carry it around with your computer. Really cool, great idea, works really well.